everyone, welcome to page Rise. I am Sotheany. Pleased to see you again. And today we are going to continue with lesson 25. And we have 5 more words to learn together. Let's start it. The first word is law. Law spell L-A-W. Law. Example, I know the law very well. I know the law very well. Second word is province. Province spell P-R-O-V-I-N-C-E. Province. Example, Ban Tie Mien Chai is province of Cambodia. Ban Tie Mien Chai is province of Cambodia. Third word is city. City spell C-I-T-Y. City. Example, the city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. The city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Fourth, town. Town spell T-O-W-N. Town. Example, Sraisaphon is the town of Ban Tie Mien Chai province. Sraisaphon is the town of Ban Tie Mien Chai province. The last word is country. Country spell C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Example, Cambodia is a country of Asia. Cambodia is a country of Asia. Okay, everyone, I will repeat this word again. Please listen and repeat after me. Law. Law. Province. Province. City. City. Town. Town. Country. Country. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your spending time with me today. And don't forget, make a sentence or sentences by using the words that we have learned and leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we will give you exam app. If it's not, we will have check. If you want to learn full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.